Welcome back to Couples Lab.
Today, we're breaking down what that famous phrase, "watch your tone," actually means.
It's a classic. We've all been there. Now, let's get into the first test.
Hey, did you wash the light-colored clothes yet?
I'm actually just finishing up right now.
But you missed this sweater that was left in the car. I had it with me, and I need it for tomorrow.
Excuse me? What did you just say?
I just meant that the sweater was missed.
You aren't asking for help. You're giving me an order, and on top of that, you're complaining about what's left to do.
Seriously? Is that really how I sounded? Let's break down that whole laundry mess.
What exactly went wrong there?
The raw data was, sweater is missing. According to Paul Watzlawick, that is the content level.
Exactly. The amygdala detected a threat and blocked out logic before the explanation even landed.
According to Albert Merhabimian, 55% of communication is body language. Words are only 7%. Tone of voice is 38%. That is what ruined everything. In short,
It's not what you say.
it's how you say it.
Let's see how this second test plays out. Up next.
And then, if we explain the whole dopamine thing in this scene, people are going to...
Shh.
Hey, don't do that to me. I'm not in elementary school.
Danny, it's 11 at night. The neighbors are sleeping.
I get what time it is, but that shh completely shuts me down. Just tell me to keep it down and give me a hand signal, but not like that, right? Just do this. With this analyzer, we're going to compare both experiments.
Let's first analyze my shh.
This red spike is an invalidation stimulus. The brain doesn't process "be quiet." It processes "I am being silenced."
True. And in the case of the laundry, your tone was so saturated that the words simply disappeared.
That tone was a relational threat that triggered the amygdala and blocked out all logic.
Conclusion. If the frequency is red, reason is lost.
Issa, stop! Don't hit start yet! I've got the last white piece! Quick question, is there still room for this, or should it wait for the next load?
Yes, Danny, of course. I love your new frequency. It's not what you say.
It's how you say it. Lesson learned. And there you have it. The tools to save your communications starting today.
First, emotional calibration. Take a breath and adjust before you speak.
Second, mind the how. Protect your bond. Don't just try to be right. How you speak defines the quality of your relationship.
Third, your tone is everything. Words are only 7%, your body language is 55%, and your tone is 38%. So, adjust how you look and how you sound.
Practice this, and you'll see the atmosphere at home change completely.
Because at the end of the day, love is the melody behind your words.
If this experiment helped you, give us a like and share it with that couple who needs to tune into their frequency.
Support us and subscribe to Couples Lab. We'll see you in the next episode.
Issa, and then, if we start the next phase, I already have some great ideas. Oops. Sorry, red frequency detected. Powering down in 3, 2, 1.